In this tutorial, I will show you Pucker tool and Bloat tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have already drawn a circle to demonstrate this tool. Here is Pucker tool. I am right clicking here, width tool, wrap 12, and this is Pucker tool. Pucker tool, you can adjust the brush size, Pucker tool brush size, by holding down Alt from the keyboard. After holding down Alt, I am holding down Alt, then you can move it to the upper or down to decrease the size, or upper to increase the length, vertical length, and you can make it right and left to adjust the size. Also, if you holding down Shift along with Alt, then you can make it perfect circle in size. So I am happy with this. Now I am double clicking here. You can see this is Pucker tool options. You can get width, haze, angle, intensity. You can change any of them. And Pucker options, this is detail. I am making it 3, and simplify, this is smoothness 100%. So what it does, you can see I am placing this brush to not completely inner side. I am making it outside of the circle and the crosshair of the brush here. You can see when I click with Pucker tool, this anchor point or this path will stretch to the crosshair, brush crosshair. I am clicking here, you can see. I am also clicking here, you can see. When the crosshair will be in the circle, what happened? You can see I am clicking. You can see now the shape is skewed to the inner side. You can see inner side. If I make it crosshair in the outside, then it will cover this area to connect with the crosshair. You can also make it also moving. You can place this shape anywhere as you wish, and if the brush cover any of the area, it will also capture this area. You can see this area also will be follow the crosshair. So that was the Pucker tool. Also this is Bloat tool. Bloat tool has the same option. This is Bloat tool options. You can adjust it from here, and also you can adjust the brush size same as Pucker tool. But what it does, you can see same the crosshair. This time I am making cross here, brush crosshair here. I am clicking here. You can see it will skew to the inner part of the brush size. See, you can see I am clicking here. This will skew to the inner part of the brush. Also, if the crosshair of the brush size in the inner part, not out part, it will copy it. You can see I am clicking here. It will cover with that brush size with the shape. So that was for the Pucker and Bloat tool inside Adobe Illustrator. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.